This is the parking lot at Sacred Heart Center.
That's the church there across. The church, Sacred Heart Church.
Hi, welcome to my new blog. This is the Hakosalem Street.
Yeah, that's the Sacred Heart Church. On the
No.
right side.
No.
There's a mass going on. On the right side is the Archbishop's
No.
Palace. Huh? This one, huh? Archbishop's Palace there.
Keep quiet, lab. No right turn. No right turn.
Go to the Jones Way.
And this is Zapatera, Cebu City. No right turn.
Okay.
This is going to the Strait of Sikatuna. Sacred Heart Center. And this is our Landon Street.
Arlandon there crossing. This is Junquera. This is Junquera Street. Yeah, when you turn right, that's Arlandon.
Mama, keep quiet. Papa.
I'm pitching
Mama
you.
mag-talk.
Ikaw ko na yung Surya.
Ako ito.
Mama
Ako.
Please, Papa.
No. And this is our Landon Street.
Yes, Arlandon. This
No. No talking lang. Mama mag-talk.
Why don't you like Papa?
No. Mama and Joshua. And this is our Landon Street. This is Cebu Normal University, the School of
Inday.
Mari. No. Vlog. And this is Jones Avenue.
That one.
On the right side.
Police Regional Office 7. Camp Sirio Osmeña Senior. And this is Jones Avenue.
Be smart. You found your you saw the folding
No.
cell phone.
Natoki Papa. Joshua. May 24. And this is Jones Avenue. Dream Home, here I come. This is Jones Avenue. This is Visayas Med Hospital. This is Jones Avenue. This is Crown Regency Hotel and Towers, and this is Metrobank Plaza. The king has returned. Jones Avenue.
Sama nga king.
Who's the king?
No, keep quiet, Papa. And this is the circle of Fuente Osmeña. How to use a handsaw.
King Joshua?
And this is Raja Park Hotel. Going to executive pension.
Apa ka tatlo?
No, black. This is going to Cebu Doctors Hospital. And this is Cebu Gospel Church. Gosh.
Landang yung mana. Still? Landang.
And this is Fuente to Capitol Cebu.
Jollibee. Huh?
No, we will blog. You talk to yourself. And this is provincial capital. Sacred Heart Center. Look.
Oh, you want to go to the wedding of
No,
BJ?
No.
BJ?
no. Keep quiet na.
Yes.
Black.
Sige, we'll go.
No.
Go on, ha?
No. Keep quiet lang. And this is Emvelez. We're here in Emvelez Street. Emvelez. This is Marshall Velez Street.
Are you sure it's Marshall?
It says on the Google. No.
Google, yes.
No.
Right.
Emvelez.
Pwede mo order
No. No. This is S Hotel and Residences. Emvelez. Adventure is a wonderful thing. This is Emvelez. We're here in Esquina Banawa.
Ayaw sa mukha na.
Love you.
You talk to yourself.
Love my bugoy. Love my bugoy.
Love.
Love my bugoy.
We're here in Esquina Banawa. Dream home, here I come. You're already in Esquina Banawa. My hands are busy. We're here in Esquina Banawa. Look. This is Petron Gas Station and Little Red Barn. Cebu City, Guadalupe.
Wala pa.
And this is Sundance Residences.
Tugon madaan.
This is Esquina Banawa. You're following Felipe.
Ikaw, skinny baker ka?
Ako Bisaya. And this is going to Forest Hills. No.
Wala pa.
And this is going to Forest Hills. You can charge your person every night. There's plenty of anxiety. Watch this. This is NC compound. How many balloons would it take to lift you off the ground? This is our Duterte Street,
Yes.
Guadalupe.
Answer is 1.
No.
One only. Sure?
No. Ayog Samok. This is Esquina Banawa. This is the Shell gas station at Esquina Banawa. Morning class. Esquina Banawa. Handsaw is used for the carpenter and also the wood glue. Night Crescent.
Yes. Yes, Joshua.
No. No. Look. And this is Etas Restaurant.
Yes, itas.
No.
You tell me.
No.
why.
Vlog. And this is going to Casa Rosita.
Yes. I love you, Bugol.
No.
So, why did you know it's Marshall Velas? Who told you?
No.
Who told you?
No.
Diba it's Mario Velas? Are you sure it's
No.
Marshall?
Vlog.
Are you always looking at Google, huh?
This is Paseo Arsenas,
Oh, yes.
Esquina Banawa.
Southeast.
No. Ayog Samo Club.
Yes. Who owns Southeast? The Lolo Yayoy. The late Lolo Yayoy, no?
This is South Hills International School.
He passed away.
No.
Bantay ka.
No.
Sa mong papa, ha?
Please don't bother me. I have work and duty.
Really?
Last warning now. I will bother the hard-headed behavior again. This is the attitude. Won't be friendly on Facebook and YouTube anymore. Goodbye, Josh. And thanks for watching.
Open gate, day.
Esquina Banawa.
Ano ba?
Esquina.
What about the
No.
call the number 166 and dial the hash plus sign?